To our school head, Sister Maria Catalina Santos, Principal Ms. Gina Cruz, distinguished guests, faculty and staff, dear parents and fellow graduates, a pleasant morning to all of you. Standing in front of you today to deliver this speech is such an honor. 6 years ago, today is just a tomorrow as much as a dream. 6 years ago, I began my journey, determined to arrive at a happy today. A journey filled with challenges, hardships, happiness, excitement, thrills, memories, both good and bad, winning as well as losing. A journey of years of homeworks that challenged the deadliest deadlines, performance tasks that served as indicators of what we have learned, quizzes and examinations that reflected our strengths and weaknesses, co-curricular activities such as contests, competitions, seminars or workshops which promoted unity, teamwork, and collaboration. Religious activities of First Friday Masses, Bahaginan, and recollection that strengthened our relationship with God through service. Grade-level performances that developed and enriched our skills and talents. Club participation that helped us discover our interests and talents have finally come to an end. St. Bridget's School became our second home, which nurtured in us the traits of competence, compassion, and confidence. For this, we will be forever grateful. And of course, memories of our school years will not be complete without the endless kwentuhan, chikahan, biruan, iyakan, tampuhan, tuksuhan, at awanan. Memories, how shallow they may be, we will cherish forever. And although memories are just meant to be cherished, relationships we built along the way are meant to stay. And I mean, batchmates and classmates who became our friends, best friends, and sisters. Class advisors, subject teachers, club moderators, Ms. Gina Cruz and Sister Catalina, who became our second mothers in school. As I end my journey and begin another one, allow me to express my gratitude to God the Father Almighty, who has blessed, protected, and guided me to what I am today. I humbly offer all that I am. Isang taus-pusong pasasalamat sa mga taong naging kasama ko at gabay sa aking makabuluhang paglalakbay. Sa aking mga guro, na humubog sa aking pag-uugali at nagtanim ng mga aral na magagamit kong puhunan sa pagpapatuloy ko sa aking paglalakbay. Mga kaklase at kaibigan na tumanggap sa kung ano at sino. At higit sa lahat, sa aking mga magulang, tita at tito, na patuloy na nagmamahal, nagpapahalaga, at nagtitiwala sa aking kakayahan. Sila na nagsisilbi kong mga pakpak tuwing napapagod na ako sa aking paglipad. Sa inyo po ang aking pinakamalakas at walang hanggang palakpak. To embark on the journey towards your goals and dreams requires bravery. To remain on the path requires courage. The bridge that bridges the two is commitment. This quote reminds me to have not just a choice, but to be brave, courageous, and committed to make a dream come true. To my fellow batchmates, we are on this journey of life together. Each of us, though different, are like flowers of different kinds, waiting to blossom in the given time to allow the world see the beauty of God's grace through us. To all of us, congratulations! We finally made it.